Welcome to this Metricom Explainer. Today, we're tackling those invisible, sneaky dangers hiding right inside your kitchen.
So when does food safety actually kick off? It's the second groceries hit your counter, not the stove.
Thing is, unsafe food usually looks and smells totally fine. You can't just trust your nose here. Major fails, like bad storage or cross-contamination, happen way before you even preheat that oven. Let's talk cross-contamination. One drop of raw chicken juice on your salad, that's a massive health risk. Always stash raw meat on the very bottom fridge shelf. Never let those juices drip onto your veggies. For safe storage, the FDA says to keep that fridge at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or even colder. And your freezer, that needs to stay locked at 0 degrees Fahrenheit to keep things safely frozen solid. Your absolute best defense? Use dedicated, separate cutting boards and knives for raw meat versus ready-to-eat foods. Watch out for the danger zone. Between 40 and 140 degrees, bacteria multiply like crazy. Never leave perishables out past 2 hours. If it's over 90 degrees outside, you literally have 1 hour. Sawing meat on the counter is a huge no-no. It pushes the outside right into that danger zone. Instead, safely thaw in the fridge, under cold running water, or just cook it straight from frozen. Hand washing is non-negotiable. Going from scrolling your phone straight back to chopping veggies, super risky. The World Health Organization laid out these 5 controls. It's basically a daily safety system for your house. Don't just guess. Use strict storage and hygiene rules to keep your kitchen completely spotless and safe. The CDC sums this all up brilliantly with 4 super simple steps: clean, separate, cook, and chill. So, did you actually control your food before cooking it? Keep that in mind for your next meal.